Welcome to my channel.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Kids, I'm so excited because I'm going to the zoo. How about you? You can come too. We're going to the zoo. Yes, kid, today we are going to the zoo. We are going to learn about some of the animals that we can find at the zoo. I love animals. Do you love animals too? There are many animals around us. There are animals that stay in the water, on the land, and some can fly. Some are tame and some are wild. Some are kept in captivity and some are free. Some are big and some are small. Now we are going to the next part of this video. It is the Do You Know part. In this part, you will learn the fun fact about the animals. Are you ready, kids? Let's learn now! First, it is about the koala. The fingerprints of a koala are just like humans, that sometimes they have been confused at the crime scene. What? The criminals is a koala? Oh no! They can also sleep up to 22 hours a day. Next, it is about snail. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Snails are so slow because they only have one foot. They have been inspired to make medical adhesive. Now, it is about the elephants. The elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort. It mimics the action of suckling their mothers. Oh, cute little baby elephant. Do you know what animal is this? This is the rhinoceros. A rhino's horn is actually made of hair. A group of rhinos is called a crash. Kids, do you know any information about bears? Bears always turn left when they leave a cave. And bed droppings are called guano. Now, these are the facts about giraffes. Giraffes have no vocal cords, so they can't produce any sound. They have black tongues. It is the tallest animal on earth. They sleep while standing, and their spots are their thumbprint. Next, about the kangaroo. Now, this is interesting. A kangaroo can't fart. They can only hop, but they can hop really fast. Although they are fast, they do not sweat. Ostrich. Do you know an ostrich eye is bigger than its brain? The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. The males dance to attract the females. It's the tigers. Human has unique fingerprint that differs from one another. Tigers have them too, but it is their unique striped skin pattern. Sea otters. Do you know they hold their hands while they are sleeping so they don't drift apart? They also have the world's thickest fur. Owls. A group of owls is called a parliament, but their legislative powers, however, are still up for debate. They can turn their heads 270 degrees, and they can fly silently and hunt their prey without being heard. Lastly, these are the facts about cows. Do you have best friends forever, your BFF? Well, cows have best friends too. And when they get separated, they get stressed. Kids, now let us play a quiz. It is a Do You Know quiz. Now you will become the animal expert. Are you ready? Let us start now. As animal expert, can you please tell me which one is stronger? A rhinoceros or a hippopotamus? Next, which one is bigger? A gorilla or a monkey? Which of these two is heavier? A panda or a polar bear? Next, which animal has more legs? A spider or a butterfly? Can you tell me which one is faster? A snail or a tortoise? Next, which one is taller? A giraffe or a camel? It's riddles time. I love riddles. Do you love riddles? For this activity, you need to refer to page 81 in your textbook. Look at the animal pictures and their external features. You surely can answer these riddles. Good luck, kids! I'm very big. I have big ears too. I have a long nose. When I walk, I stomp my feet. What am I? My favorite is bamboo. I'm black and white. People say I'm cute. What say you? What am I? I live in the jungle. I am big and strong. I eat grass and leaves. I have horn on my nose. What am I? I live in Africa. I sleep in a nest. I'm big and black. I am an ape. What am I? I have 4 legs. I am big and grey. It's hard for me to move on land. That's why I live in the water. What am I? I carry my home with me. When I move, I leave a trail behind. I run, but I only have 1 foot. The farmers don't like me. What am I? It's comprehension time. Kids, please answer the questions. There are 5 questions. First, do you like animal? Which animal do you like the most? Why do you choose the animal? What will you do if you see animals in need? And lastly, what will happen if all the animals gone? It's writing time. Kids, you already know how to write a diary entry, right? So now, please rearrange the sentences and write a diary entry. Please follow the flow as your guideline. Where did you go? What were the animals that you see? What did you do there? And lastly, how did you feel? Are you ready? Let's start writing! That's all, kids. See you in the next video. Bye!